Hello from the National Weather Service in Grand Junction. This will be a short presentation on how to access your local weather forecast through our webpage and some additional products that you may find useful. First, you'll want to load our page at weather.gov/GJT. Once the page has loaded, you'll want to move to this clickable map and find the area that you're interested in. We'll click right here in the Grand Junction area. Now your forecast page will appear with a text forecast and a few graphics across the top. Now you'll notice the small Google map on the right hand side. It lists your latitude and longitude and the elevation of the forecast you have picked. Let's say we want actually to move a little to the southwest to a slightly higher elevation. We would simply left click on that Google map. If we go back down, we'll notice that the elevation has actually changed on it, and now that's real important in eastern Utah and western Colorado with the varied terrain that you check that elevation that your forecast is made for. A few other things you may find of interest. The nearest local observations are listed at the top of the page. If you click on the 3-day history, you'll get more detailed observations. We'll step back here. If we go down the page just a bit, right here, forecast discussion. This is actually a technical narrative of the forecast reasoning, some confidence levels, and also some possible alternate scenarios to the forecast. Some may find this useful. If we go down further on the page, there's actually a hourly weather graph. If we left click on the image there, takes it just a moment, and you can see we actually have a graphical version of that text forecast that shows hourly weather conditions. We have temperature, dew point, wind chill, wind data, humidity, and so forth. Now up here you can actually click on and off certain elements of the forecast, and you can submit that, and it'll change what's displayed. You can move forward and backward in time. Now if we go back to the main page that we started at, our main web page, a few other things that are of interest is the weather story here. This weather story is produced each morning by 6 a.m. and is updated as needed. It provides kind of a quick look at the important weather message for eastern Utah and western Colorado. Another thing that users find quite useful is the current radar image. And we won't wait for that to completely load up, but it's there. And then also we have some current satellite images. You can browse through those on your own. We hope this presentation provided some insight into accessing your local weather forecast and those additional products that are available. Thank you for listening.